On Saturn, with a magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Her, his. Her favorite color is blue. Her favorite color is blue. His favorite color is red. His favorite color is red. Her favorite color is yellow, but his favorite color is purple. Her favorite color is green. His favorite color is black. What's her favorite color? Her favorite color is orange. What's his favorite color? His favorite color is brown. She likes pink very much, so her favorite color is pink. He likes white very much, so his favorite color is white. Now it's your turn. Answer the questions. What's her favorite color? What's his favorite color? What's her favorite color? Her favorite color is purple. What's his favorite color? His favorite color is red. What's her favorite color? Her favorite color is green. What's his favorite color? His favorite color is yellow. What's her favorite color? Her favorite color is orange. What's his favorite color? His favorite color is blue. What's her favorite color? Her favorite color is pink. Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.